Two-step equations. We've talked about one-step equations. What about two-step equations? What about a situation like this? In a situation like this, we still use the rule that we learned with one-step equations. We subtract 4 from both sides. So then we get 7r is equal to 14. And then we divide both sides by 7. R is equal to 2. Two steps. The first step was we had to get rid of this. Leave the number with the variable alone for a second and deal with the addition or subtraction if there's either of that situation. So you subtract 4 from both sides. We come down over here. We get 7r is equal to 14. We divide both sides by 7 because that's how we get rid of the coefficient of r, by dividing both sides by 7. Whatever we do to the left, we have to do to the right. R is equal to 2. Very good. So that's a two-step equation. That's our first example. Number 2. What if we have a situation where it's negative 5m plus 2 is equal to 27? Well, we need to ask, what is the thing I need to get rid of right away? It's this 2. I will get to the variable. It's almost like, think of it like you're trying to take, trying to get to a specific corner. Before you get there, get everything else out of the way, and then you can get to the thing you need. And so now we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. We get negative 5m is equal to 25. We divide both sides by negative 5. M is equal to negative 5. So that's how we find our answer for example 2. Example 3. So let me give us 4 examples for now. Example 3, we have 87 is equal to 3 minus 7v. We have to ask ourselves, what is the number I need to get rid of first? And it's this, right? So we subtract 3 from both sides. So we get 84 is equal to negative 7v. This negative 7 and v, we need to get rid of the negative 7. So we divide both sides by negative 7. And then we get v is equal to negative 12. Okay, two-step equations. Generally, you're doing 2 steps to get to the destination. Let me do one that is a little odd. Negative 5 is equal to a over 4 minus 1. Okay, in this case, we still use the same rule. We need to get rid of this 1. So we have negative 4 is equal to a over 4. Okay, so we got rid of the negative 1 by adding 1 to both sides. Now we need to multiply both sides by 4. So then a is equal to negative 16. Okay? Two-step equations, you're doing about 2 steps to get to your destination. Use the opposite operation to get rid of the number. So if it's a subtraction, if it's a 3 here, if you want to get rid of 3, you subtract 3. If it's negative 1 here, you add 1. If there's a number in the denominator, you multiply both sides in order to get to the variable that you're looking for. That's how we do 2-step equations. In our next video, we'll look at general linear equations. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a blessed day.